Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Baby, be out here, be out of Miami, Aquaba. Alpha Emerald Media. So, don't forget, so best subscribe to the Miami. Someone, Edru was and then so, Yedi be Eddie Brown, ye didn't come on. Crobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and ye Babidi di home come na Oboswa. Now, all the comment in the band. So, yes, we are kind of share. Never come piano na Yeti Juman. And then the Prince, the defender. And a baby man prince we have a call here.
Let me add on MC. Very fine pa. No, you be come up.
Yes, Sabrante na so quickly yeah be share and some kakrebi na ye din komo. What do you say? I'm 40 Adakujachi project no. Is the attention in na kudin kan. Yes, now we share previous videos now. The updating a bar players any players any hall players yato munkanina no. We are giving you that. Na but if you no mo ba say show one seven so eka nti Adakujachi project no the whole update kakra and so a bit me e dey aba
okay
mama for so hu dey koso ofie so to me e dey aboa and now and the Kotoko team no I training and you be show one some kakra players are messy and players are bar training year training full training you know say the one seven but one good news is that so far, injury, and we hope and pray say injury some this season be very, very minimal. Of course, yet to me any free media, but if we share more can I am with so because so Emmanuel entry is still training, but maybe I will training no at the one seven so ever now for yet to me Ashe and one something and also yet to me at the seven at the other. Until you go so yes. But you be updated, and then goalkeepers training na ye training. Goalkeepers training na ye training. Talad Ibrahim,
yes.
Aziz Haruna Dari, ye training. Then Clever, wow, Nipa Clever.
Yes.
And also ye training. Come on, and then again, Isa Yakubu, Kofi Bini man.
Oh yeah, the Bini man.
Boss man, Bini man. There's a Bini man and the veteran you because it's here. And check. Rose a crew man, be a Bini man. Especially with Jina Papa Arana say, Bini ya dear. Rose, yes, supporters now be watching so Bini man, sir. And say Bini man, yeah, training. Hamzata, the safe farm training. Abu Adams.
Yes.
I ran to Emmanuel Kote, Umar, or also training. Patrick Esidu, but also training. Solomon Enso, Asa, but also training. Eric Betta, and Donsu, Ominano training. Inusa Adams, and also training. Abdul, yes, or also to Mama. Mama Swaba.
Oh, Emmanuel Mama.
Bismarck Ofori, Poku, Adabo, and I feel could you set the return of could you set after I think 20 months.
Yeah,
could you set a project, but and right game record will be there when you're full training.
Good,
and so Edema, a crop ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Quick one on this one. Nafi Yanko na Yanko Shen 7 Adakujachi, then Bismarck ending Emmanuel entry. Na fe yenhwe under 23 no so e ho samle kakra yenfa emra de ekoso ha do tiro ba subscribe for my na yeni nkomo mu enye de emrante wem na ye training and the return of Kojoset
let see a good pass yes who Kojoset be as our training grounds on because at this crucial time na Asante Kotoko here the players do na and especially in the players na onom ebo mu hu modin ye betimi aka say omo the last season team no ekwo ahuhihia mu no omo ande betimi de yansasi ebo aka say omo no omo bo bibi e de my team no Kojoset e kasa amrante ne hu bi but with injuries na ba no e ade ya affected boy ni ye pa but it's good seeing Kojoset back in the setup and one thing I many Japan say Emmanuel Mama right from Samates and also so about joining team no also so training so ekwa kamanti no it's good seeing him so and also play a crucial role with team in him. Next season I want to see more from Emmanuel Mama or add the quality to Asante Kotoko team no especially up front when it comes to creativity and goal scoring Then seeing goalkeeping ho no kra de meka say e ho no no de en de bia ya no meka ho asem say Dan Lad continuously impress e training grounds on for coach Eric Tinkelr because the experience of our league in him and one kasa most no leadership qualities no one will help us Asante Kotoko a whole lot. And we games now Kotoko aboni nyina no e pre-season ni mu a Dan Lad there was special rule against Benap, against Ebony. Oh my boy, and then omu game almost our boy in a craft a pre-season game omu boy no. Then now to me when they say Asante Kotoko games ni na starting lineup no ya na di kind of first 11 no. E hono na ya na Dan Lad e wo. And it tells you that say player be a consistent our team be pre-season for 3 games. Now baby a coach in the neighbor and one or the neighbor for 3 games then it speaks say next season no you should expect more from that player. And you know MC nye who training grounds one and rantia na ye who rantia ye ti omudi e training grounds one any ahon ke kana e training grounds one ye kama. And that is what every Asante Kotoko supporter episode who determination, or person who's a team ready, and a person who's a team poised for action. And you know
the competition between Dan Lad and Aziz.
MZ and the Gabon de Mua, Dan Lad over Aziz, and the
but Aziz last 2 seasons not Aziz.
Yes, ne Aziz, name Dan Lad and so.
And I'll be also say Aziz no who the best in him and give him a proper competition. I don't know whether maybe a camera to me a man that did and I say be the first season at Kotoko he felt a bit uneasy.
Yeah.
In I ban side, yeah. Do you think said Dan Lad be fan follow?
Debbie, yeah, me say follow the men kase follow is ananaze. Annoying. But Aziz Dan Lad any day, men I'll go in on any day. And I think say Sana coach Eric Tinkelr well. Say the qualities Dan Lad de kutano. Fine Aziz that Rinzu a good goalkeeper. Name omumienu no de ne de bro no yongo so na de ya untimi nyomienu so omo ye pe baba ko bebro ba ko so. And Dan Lad is ahead. Dan Lad national team goalkeeper nyina. Et you know Dan Lad they are rating top over Aziz Dario. Name the many je ho pa ye de wo kan no competition. Competition. Ye wie season no na ye tete Kotoko players e be ko na ye list ni ofie ha no. Ni nyina time bia na me boss say Dario Aziz there was empany for man etna. Name ye man a proper competition pa. Now a team bringing the best out of the player. Because me meaning near Dario Aziz Aruna betimi ai. And so man is a competition no. Sana a bit me bringing the best out of him. Until Dan Lad one or no. Dan Lad is there with the experience. Dan Lad is there as a leader, and also he is there to make Dario Aziz Haruna better. Yeah.
That is one important of being in a competition.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. And see, players, I don't know, but my main fan we Frenchum said, these players entry not because they are injured. We are hearing that Hubert Jehu and then Lawson Menu has been invited to the national under 23.
Yes.
And see Jehu went to with Kotoko and say, wow, where would Jehu training, and yeah, Bonnet Kwanso.
Okay.
Yes, Jehu has been invited, and then Lawson Menu say to have these young chaps now invited to. I think it's in order. It's a very good news for the team. And see, Omoko national under 23 camp, almost Ekwakoboa national team, no. Emmanuel Surgeon Naso. Walid Fuseni Neymar with a knock on also entry and that.
Okay.
Walid did and I'm sure in the next coming days, you know, Walid will train. And also the biasa. So, dear Wahono, okay. Onuma a prior that even before the season ends, no, Obuguswa, Bibrenano, and recover. Okay. So, to me, Eddie Abua Crobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko Gusu recruitment in Yansi. In fact, I cast some few weeks now. Ghana Premier League recruit affairs and registration, no. And I have been away and Asante Kotoko trying to find every department of the field, you know, or the team beyond. So best socket to one of BBI come up. Besmark Enin. Onim Nikakra.
Oh yes. Pando out of Lions. Player.
Bismarck Enin was in the news.
Yeah.
But we are the story that we are picking is that ono so no am say ne tactics in your mom with the church coach no I say and any shada meaning say if it comes to you as a surprise knowing Bismarck ending na coach they say Dabi you don't fit into my style or my team. Do you look at say a surprise? Do you say Bismarck ending?
Very surprising, let me see. Oh yeah, very very surprising. Then yeah, because Bismarck growth Ghana Premier League game no akoyi, especially with baby with free or buy to do my Jets. Wa bohonom na development na contentem very sharp. When you acquire the ball, Heart of Lions are buying 3 seasons. MC 3 seasons. One ma ukradi obema 25 appearances.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
On the average.
Yes, oh yeah, on the average. On the average, because 23, 24, 31 matches, 24, 25, 30 matches, 25, 26, 27 matches. Total of 88 games. On the average,
more than 25 matches. Yeah.
Total of 88 games in 3 seasons in the Ghana Premier League.
But they be born in the ball, time in the ball, but they be na the exercise or year or pitch or so.
Then I am meant to believe that a beer na baby or bono position now or bono that is left back one no a beer na Kotoko quality or one ma and no coach in saying here beam. But what Miss Abbas left centre back. I can't almost say Siciano Kotoko team no they be a can. The kind of players are coaching the panel, you should either you are better than your horses here, or probably and yes, you crowd here, one yes, and this is left back one. Patrick Kessidu Jina Horo. Come to see me tough play be a bebubiano. You need to be exceptionally good because Abranton will bob as a young day. He's one of the best in our local scene. Yes.
It's coming in now. If you are not better off, then it means that the coach is making a good decision. And I want to say, still you could give another competition to Nipa Mioduna or this year.
Patrick Kessidu ne standard now was set to a left back one minute. Okay, fine. Me and Cassie will be intimidated. Me and Cassie will be intimidated. Yes, but was set standard be another because for Francis Akwa, every big chamber ya Francis Akwa intimia man is a competition. No, one of maybe a mame jedi walk and a meno by adwin. Say then I was say Obano ahead of Patrick Kessidu or only Patrick Kessidu epe, which Bismarck in Musa level. Bismarck age wise 21 years, only much experience in the Ghana Premier League. A month for Brina no Kran and Shada Graham is and Nipa do Duanano and Shada on your players all to make us was Ashi Goose, Keswon Goose. But for Patrick Kessidu, offensively or the quality, defensively or this amount. And a player, I can say left back position at a point. MC now man for be required where's our more can say Black Stars, yeah, like left backs, yeah, Patrick Kessidu so. People had that belief. Sir Patrick Kessidu, you have an opportunity to play as a left backer. Now, come to me a ball national team. I am with the idea say fine. Bismarck in Rusa level no, and Francis Akwa and Timia Patrick Kessidu is a competition. No, Emmanuel Ding. So bet me say Obiba no bet me be 2 Patrick Kessidu. Patrick Kessidu was set a leveler or a benchmarker. MC a better Ding so bet me be bua faso this year. And you know, and nothing I be a magic the O cano, me no be ya dream 100%. The coach, you know, a share Bismarck, no share Patrick, no share me no do to weighing scale no where who say Patrick Kessidu emuye do the chain Bismarck. I want to and I agree, but this guy no could be a proper competition. Now, me a proper competition, but obey a good backup.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So not necessarily a competition, but
no.
Backup.
Yes.
All right. I was afraid I don't know what will comment to buy, but you go sword and some the bar. Now, let's not forget that this coach, you know, will ball playing defenders or ball playing players.
Yes.
And you puntum. You could be so good. But it be a city now was teacher born and yes, and in so doing this, I think in the previous video you were saying something. Say, oh yes, I was maybe not good players, Nina, because yeah, pitches I bought Hannah.
Oh yes,
One say why training with good pitch so will pass the ball. There may be a ball in Namano.
Yeah.
They could see Bobiano baby na ball left over baby now. And then some I
guess I am saying no be being answer my MC. Keep it near venues no be but you can hear
you can I mean
yeah I hear na
there are some venues will Chrome Hadoma and you there are some venues will Chrome Hadoma.
Some beko
pitching here.
On beko nyina into Tinkelr be hu ni nyina.
Na e baba ya crash the aye. Baba ya pitcher. We Accra Sports, me for the Accra Sports and the Baba Yara.
Yeah.
And on the pitch say walk room Hanuma. Say and on a stadium.
Yes. Yes.
Is there the support the minimum the acquisitions here. Accra Sports them. She Baba Yara. A fan white and yellow.
Yes.
A fan green. You can't just think as if there are no leaders in this country.
Oh my God.
In this country. I mean the Libya America say Pofakra has been one of the people I'm disappointed big time.
Oh, big time. Big time.
But for you to be in the media and then now an NSA boss, now said your pictures and only your stadium, still it's either the same or little improvement. I am really surprised. I'm really surprised and I feel disappointed.
Yeah.
Say somebody like him. But I remember I yet to say it. And twas on the young Kotoko, some nana.
Okay.
Yesterday, so 4 players. And I'm paying for catcher. We must say, Bonnie junior team no in your training.
Okay.
And under 20 in your training, we come say. They are still monitoring you. Press Badu come and I be what.
It's cool.
Now,
it's good. Then guys are
for I sort it out.
It's good. They are more windy.
And then Minta. Also need pay for it. We try be muna on pay baby in fact. But one player, I think Zakaria for saying also count.
Yes.
Also need pay for kasa. But officially embark out say or person or call. But Emmanuel Entry is still training with the under 20. What we are picking is that and there one it under 20 year training.
Okay.
And Ogusua said, Coach Tinkelr and the penny that's what it tell.
Okay.
They are monitoring him.
Okay.
I've said it here, let me say it again. Say, one more Wakra, Kotoko players say Wakra, it is not a guarantee that you are going to be registered. And see, Obi to me a free war, no be a free hackers.
Yes.
What's the American argument?
And then they are no crap.
Yes, that is elimination by rough tactics and substitution.
Oh, yes.
And see, so the coach is still monitoring Emmanuel Entry. He is not out of the picture yet.
Okay.
So Emmanuel Entry is still training with the under 20, and the coaches are monitoring him. And it could be possible. So Emmanuel Entry will unite with the team. I don't know your take on this one. If you are share Adakuja project, I couldn't name Kakra.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. With Emmanuel Entry, it is. I don't know why my level of respect across room more crowd than Emmanuel Entry.
Okay.
Yeah, because we share a sombre, we share dedication, we share the passion, we share on one casano say or we are tasked with say opeso ye bibi. Because some of the players need be no who know say they are too big. And coach is either Obama join or Accra. Na yakwakoka senior team ne ho ne ya training no na wo de masaka team ne ho or obe terminate team contract na mako because disrespect so obekwa training with the junior team, which is no, it is never a disrespect. MC say you catch you say only you team ne nkonko training na for the meantime it doesn't mean say who hia team no, but it could be say team no o sharpness no form o lack match fitness. It could be say Uba and pre-season no energy levels no unya rising through sa baby a coach ne person okukudu no.
Okay.
But the youth team no omo actively every day omo ho no ma omo prepare. Enti time bia no okọ ho no ne omo ye training ni nyina na o sharpness na eba. Na afi na wo energy levels no emu bie na afi wo seba back to normal. Enti by the time on free youth team ni na won san ko senior team ni ho na mzi na oni omo nyina ekope. It's with Emmanuel Entry decision to join or was started training the crown with the youth team. It is a plus. Coach Eric Tinkelr will sit down and knows that no, boy, yes, the fitness in this role, but he is making improvement. As I na, my coach in the Korean or dos from Kubi the mount. I was saying a boost from Kubi's the mount. because me say enye monkwa na moye mranti ya ka kire mo say mo ni youth team nkonko training even players na mo komo boy in the Premier League or boy in the Spanish La Liga any ade no mo ka itibi ka kire o mo say look monkwa na mo ni youth team nkonko training because mo fitness levels ni sro mo energy levels na drop monko na mo mra o mo ko mo ye so if say obo in the Ghana Premier League obo at the Kings Club na untimi nya so mra there let me see there is no need to be in the club because se ubu mpanimfo no mo wonu na nimtia MC indirectly no wo bu opemso so nimtia because opemso na for adwuma enti no ne de it is good say Emmanuel Ntwe esa de no and last season ade ba ko a MC me kai pass see and say one of the games are Kotokobo no Kumasi na supporters ni be complaining say MC I gestures bi imaye gestures bi a kire mo a eno no anyo mo fe but with this and every Asante Kotoko supporter bi obeti sansem we bia no beti there they say okay abrantia no I ready oh ye bibi stronko so I love the decision so obeko na was start training it is good MC it is very good it's by the time I free Kumasi young call say brakra no in the minds of coach Eric Tinkelr onim say wo ba no why ready dada anya fe na osado say ba be fam sesa akọ nesa akọ ye hit map mo se be hwe hit map bi there bi because they know say why ho adwuma no why bibia wo Kumasi da dansa na wo be ba akra it no for Emmanuel Ntwe there it is good but for Zakaria Fuseni any Minta there me no I don't know why but one of the players are me Paul Masempa which na me minim senke bi ankomo so be follow the Ntwe no Zakaria Fuseni come Zak there minim the Zak betumi aye minim bo Zak betumi abo if you are not there yet standard no enyan dru ba bia coach Eric Tinkelr pen there then why don't you join but say has footballers no most TNMC omo you too relaxed omo you comfortable into ono no say on pede there terminate na me sanko team ketwam because we free as ya team abekom obviously be team akotoko level ne bro no so nya de na level bro kotoko so why don't you act stay in the team follow the principles of the coach and maintain your status Asante Kotoko team ebe bo am wankasa so for me for Ntwe good but for more person omokono fine yes we wish them all the best
all right before you go so then some yanko Adakojachi project no Obroni beka it is ongoing steadily
wow
in fact the war no omatwem bia na as a last season e war no akonanim
okay
akonanim am go benefo gusu a hwe say at least war no de ombeto afa ho a no munya asase na si wo inside the more developing ye and afi container project no so no gidi me ka say last week kra na mboso no e baaye right and since say ano aka say before be say if you know the on the green wo hodada
yes
and on my year ho adwuma wie now there will be some paintings na baby as somebody ndia hyehyehye ni na no why ho adwuma mu wia na fi every office bia na so mo furnish no
okay
anti coach ne room and an office no the same kunya the basis or table the basis ho e say rooms ni na no televisions the basis ho to me am players no crowd to me e dey technical meetings ni na board meetings no kwere be na no it is ongoing it is ongoing enjoy it is ongoing now as I said by the start of the season no nanka bibia akona wi Asante Kotoko beba no make us mo kwa Adakojachi no they will have a fresh face Adakojachi project no okay both project Zesiano modo mo nsaka board nsaka no eguso cause the wall and then the offices are and the changing rooms near the company for guso mo ye ho adwuma in fact they will fix everything WC whatever
okay
more fix ni na
okay
my word by the beginning of the season there's a sad money now so I am ready a quick one on that one I fancy
let me see Adakojachi the mekaze Stanley Menzo aya dia papa because through oba ye na oba be hu se no baby adru ne de I was motive make come ho na mo ye bibi wa han tentem me because member me sha tare na member na makofi na masaba debi ba meba me hunim say we free fee a wo ba adwuma ankasa nti by the time I wo free office na wapon a wo ko ni fee nti mpanifo no enye bibi mfama team no and also for the status of Asante Kotoko no mz na ya kan say Kotoko ehia training pitch and training center at any Kotoko level no ese a obetimi dia ka say yes we esa Asante Kotoko which na Kotoko eka chikakra because all the Toto Kotoko rivals akra so folk ho na be bia so folk apija po bi mana kwa kodru na we say Kotoko e bibi which the initiative of na amponsa mo bae omo so share omo de ase omo ye na omo koye no mu bae no new body bae omo so adwuma omo aye no so ye kama pa entime no se de wo asem we ho ne se ye betimi anya Asante Kotoko training center no e bia not 100% ready but ebe ko animu to a level a coach benga baby obetena ye no ni meetings team no sessions omo person omo ye ometimi anya baby akotena ye omo video sessions yani omo tactical sessions bi omo person omo ye bi ometimi atena ye afi the sporting director ne benya ne office ono so betena aye ne monitoring aye na adwuma wo so ye nyina then players no so no baby omo be kwa akoye omo gym ene afi ne rehab no so no be ni nyina be wo honom aside that ekwa animu no so me assure say mpanifo no be better grass no wa dakoja ache no to meet levels a men ka say bia ene Europe de ene nkonko ye pe nemum ene level bia be kan say uhu a efe ene e betimi suit the style of play of coach Tinkelr na betimi awakoyi with the wall ne the MC ene de yakan wazamaza ache cause eno ne de me I believe say Asante Kotoko walls no ene supporters e kokohwe games na nyom nyina na e bi omo ho no mo ye Kotoko supporters obi ho no ma opponent na ne ebo no ena asoma obi ze o ko ne kokofa report free oba because omo nyina ko ho no ma ya say obi aye Kotoko supporter enti no the waba as a spy e ba be hu ze okay ye hu player we wo ho ene ye hu player we ene player we ba say no ye but this time around if say a team nya to ne wall no e wia na se omu hia da bia omu besa amanfo ba ho no ma esi wa abrochi da bia MC se yetimi bie kwan ama open day na media na ba na supporters na ba no ma be engage with the players anya sa dia obi ni ho no mo access to film whatever is going on at the training center so me no I am really happy with the Ekoso Wada Kojache yes season na se ne de na ye hu enough improvement ho.
All right, I see. I don't know. University. Now, Mamika says Asante Kotoko will play Badu Heart of Lions, and we've done that now. The good one, kai home. The ABC be answered. But don't forget to subscribe now or comment as well. Now you would your person chain. Bye bye.